Hello everyone, I am Dr. Esperanza and welcome to my math class. Math for 11th grade is specifically designed to help you prepare for your math classes that will require you higher skill on algebra, such as pre-calculus, AP Statistics, AP Calculus, Calculus 1 in college, Analytic Geometry, and Introductory to Statistics. Now these classes requires intermediate level algebra, and Math for 11th grade will help you get better and hone your skill in your intermediate algebra skill. Now in using my math lesson, I have broken it down to 6 math sections. The first section is focusing on complex numbers and factoring. The second unit will be on polynomials and rational expressions. So anything that has to do with rational or operations on rational expressions will be covered by this section. Linear equations and inequality, both using the standard methods just like the graphical method, elimination method, and substitution method, and also using linear algebra and solving linear system using Cramer's rule. The fourth section is on logarithms and exponential functions, and in this particular lesson you will learn how to solve and even graph logarithms and exponential functions that will help you understand behavior of such equations. Now number 5 is on function analysis, and in function analysis you will learn how to graph functions and how the function behaves. Now the last section is statistics and probability, and in this section it will greatly help you in your lesson on AP Statistics and even Statistics 1 in college, since this statistics lesson is focusing more on how to find probabilities in different methods in statistics. Now for each math topic, my topic is divided into the lesson or the lecture and the worksheet review. Now the lesson video is a video where I will show you and explain to you the unit or the skills that you need to be able to learn to be able to answer some of the problems that I will be provided in the worksheet. And on the worksheet review, there will be 2 sections in your worksheet review. It will be my video, which shows you how to answer the problems that I will be including in your worksheet. Now, most of the videos that I'm going to be presenting on the first 3 units are divided by odd numbers and even numbers. In this particular section, I have divided the video worksheet into 2 sections, the odd numbers and the even numbers, and this will help you answer or become independent on answering some of the math problems that you will encounter in my worksheet. On the first video, I'll be showing you the answer to the odd numbers, and then you can go ahead and answer the even number problems without looking at the answer. And once you have watched the second section of the video, which is my workout solution for the even numbers, you can now verify if you are able to answer your worksheet independently and look at the answers and how I answer them from the even number or the video using the even number problems. Now for my math video runtime, my first part of the lesson, which is the lesson video, usually runs on the average 15 minutes. And on this 15 minutes, I'll basically show you how the process works and give you more examples on how to reinforce on the skills that you will be learning in this particular topic. Now on the worksheet review, it usually runs for 10 minutes, and the worksheet review is more concise because here I'm just going to show you how a certain problem is answered using the skills that you have learned or I have showed from the lesson video. Now, since I have been teaching online for several years now, I'm teaching math online in Barstow Community College and Chapman University, and I understand how challenging learning math on your own. So here are some of my tips on learning math online. The first thing that you need to do is to keep an organized notes. Keeping an organized notes means that you need to have a fresh new notebook that you will be using to write down all the materials that I will be covering from the lesson video and the worksheet video as well. In this particular method or in this particular technique, you will be able to see your progressions and see all the topics that is presented to you from lesson 1 up until lesson 39. And another thing that I would suggest is to print out and organize all the worksheets that's included in this math lessons so that you can keep track of the skills that you have been learning from section 1 up until section 6. And the last tip that I could give to you is practice, 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 because the more you practice, the more you get better at it. So if you will be practicing and answering and exposing yourself into a lot of problems in my lesson, you'll be able to master the skills that is presented in my Math for 11th grade lesson, and this will greatly help you in working out or in preparation to taking up more challenging math classes like statistics, calculus, trigonometry, and pre-calculus. Now, once again, I am Dr. Esperanza, and let me welcome you to my math class, and I hope that you will have a positive learning experience in working out some of the problems that I'll be presenting to you online. Thank you, and have a great day.